Good evening, everybody. Sorry this is a little late. We have some severe thunderstorms in the area and warnings. Mostly high winds. Now there's lightning. I just got a warning for it. All right, here we go. There was a 2.4 Northern California, 6 miles northeast of San Martin at 4.3 miles in depth. A 4.3 off the shore of El Salvador at 43.0 miles in depth. This one here started out as a 3.1, upgraded to a 4.2, downgraded to a 4.1, Descentia Island, Turkey border region. They've got that at 1 mile in depth, 1.2 miles in depth. A 2.6 Romania at 65.2 miles in depth. A 2.8 Romania at 70.8 miles in depth. A 2.6 Romania, again, this one's at 75.8 miles in depth. They had 3 of those in a row. There was a 4.0 southern Iran at 6 miles in depth. A 4.4 near the coast of Honshu, Japan at 12 miles in depth. A 2.2 Oklahoma. That was 4 miles east of Union City at 3 miles in depth. A 3.8 Chile at 74.5 miles in depth. A 3.2 Northern California, 4 miles northwest of the geysers. They've got that at 1.7 miles in depth. A 3.1 off the shore of Bio, Chile at 21.1 mile in depth. A 4.3 Western Xizang, China. That's Xizang, China, at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.7 off the shore of El Salvador at 20.5 miles in depth. 4.1. This started at a 4.4, downgraded to a 4.1. Virgin Islands. Let's see, Virgin Islands, 41 miles northwest of Road Town, British Virgin Islands, at 24.0 miles in depth. A 4.0 Guatemala at 50.9 miles in depth. A 2.2 Kansas, 6 miles northwest of Harper. That came in at 3.1 miles in depth. 3.6 Oklahoma, 16 miles east of Cherokee. That came in at 1.2 miles in depth. A 2.2 New Madrid, Missouri region, 4 miles southwest of Leeburn, and that came in at 4.0 miles in depth. And this one occurred about 15 minutes ago. A 2.4 Oklahoma at 1.3 miles in depth, and it was 6 miles northwest of Harper again. All right, that's what we have, guys. I'm going to go ahead and shut this down. I've already shut down the computer because we've got lightning in the area, and I'm going to plug in the cell phone and get it fully charged. You guys have yourself a great evening. Please be safe out there if you're in the path of these storms. They're saying we had 65-mile-an-hour winds. I believe it. I had to go chase my garbage cans. Have a great night, guys. Sweet dreams. I'll talk at you in the morning. Please be safe out there. You guys are totally awesome. 2 thumbs up.